Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nurmal here, and in this video let's do the unboxing of the latest smartphone from Poco in India, the Poco X2. So Poco X2 is one of the eagerly awaited smartphones for a couple of reasons. One is that Poco has been a brand which created really a big impact in the Indian smartphone industry with the release of Poco F1 back in August 2018. And after almost like 1.5 years, there has been no updates from the company. And in Jan 2020, they announced that they're making a comeback, and Poco X2 will be their first smartphone to make a comeback. So a couple of reasons for Poco X2 to be one of the really eagerly awaited smartphones. And now we have the device with us for an unboxing. So in this video we'll show you what comes inside the box. So we have the blue variant with us. So this is the box package, and you can see X2 is written with the names of people who have been associated with the brand, which is kind of really good. And you can see Poco F2 mentioned here, and the back of the box has the specifications mentioned. So we have a dual in-display camera, reality flow 120Hz refresh rate, flagship 64 megapixel AI quad camera. Remember, this is a Sony's 686 sensor, which is the successor of the popular 586 48 megapixel camera. It also has 20 megapixel front camera, 2 megapixel depth sensor for front, and we have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G octa-core processor. It's an 8nm manufacturing process, and we also have side mounted fingerprint scanner, Gorilla Glass 5, 4500 mAh capacity battery, 27 watt fast charger which is available in box, IR remote, then we have UFS 2.1 storage, and this comes in three variants. We have the 256 variant, Atlantis blue variant. There's also purple, and the red shade is also included. Now the device comes in three colors, three variants: 664, 6128 and 8256 variant. So the pricings are 15,999 for the 664, then we have 16,999 for the 6128, and 8256 is 19,999. So these are the three variants available. So let's get started with unboxing. So first let's open the box package. So opening up the box package, so you can see this is a small case which comes. So we have a SIM ejector pin included. Then you get the standard TPU case. It's a quite good TPU case included. It provides some really good protection. So this is the standard TPU case. Then we have a quick manual included. We'll show you the Sar value in case people are interested in the Sar value. So Sar value is body SAR is 0.62 and head SAR is 1.08. so a lot of people ask us the SAR value, so this is mentioned here. Then SIM card, you can say that it's a hybrid SIM card slot, 2 nano SIM card or 1 nano SIM card, and 1 micro SD card slot is included. So that's the quick manual. Then we have the device. So we'll keep the device here for a minute, then we'll come back to that. So inside the box you also get the standard charger. So this is the 27 watt charger we are talking about. So this is the same charger we found on the Redmi K20 Pro. So it's in a 27 watt charger. We have a 12 volt 2.25 ampere or a 9 volt 3 ampere. So that's the charger. So it's slightly on the bigger side. It's a kind of bulky charger, but nevertheless it does come with a 27 watt charging, and you also get the cable, the Type-C cable for charging and data syncing. So that's what is included in the box package. Now let's have a look at the device. So now we have booted the device. So that's the Poco X2. In fact, this is the same Redmi K30 4G variant which was announced in China, and it comes with the dual selfie camera. It's a punch hole camera. It has 20 and 2 megapixel cameras, and it has the refresh rate of 120 Hz. So this is the refresh rate, and this is 120 Hz refresh rate. And many people were asking us whether this is an AMOLED panel or IPS LCD. This is an IPS LCD panel, and this is protected by Gorilla Glass 5. So that's what the protection is, and you can see that the bezels are also kept to minimal. And we have the blue variant with us. On the right side we get the power key, the power button, which is also the fingerprint scanner. It's is an integrated fingerprint scanner, and we also have the volume rocker keys on the left side. On the right side, the left side houses the SIM tray. The top panel has the IR blaster, and the secondary microphone. The bottom section has the USB Type-C port, then speaker unit and 3.5mm audio jack. So these are the things available. And coming to the back of the box, so this is an interesting design. Actually, we have the quad camera setup. The bottom section we have the Sony's IMX686 sensor, then we have a 2 megapixel depth sensor, then ultra wide angle camera is there, Poco branding is there. It's a curved finish and protected by Gorilla Glass. Now you can see that this has a kind of pattern. This is basically a pattern on the glass. There is no projection. You might find like it's a projected one, but it's not projected. It's a pattern on the glass. There is a projection for the camera. You can see there is a slight projection for the camera unit, and the flash is below the camera. So that's how it looks. So it's a solid and well built phone, solid construction, glass finishing, and the fingerprint scanner is integrated with the power button. So that's the design and build quality aspect. Now looking at the software, so we have the Poco MIUI for Poco with this, and this is MIUI Global 11.0.3, and this is on top of Android 10. So you can see that the device has Android 10 out of the box. And let's see other features. So you can see that the refresh rate is something which feels pretty smooth, and special features include game turbo, quick reply, second space. Then additional settings, you have a quick ball, one-handed mode, and other features generally you see on all the Xiaomi smartphones are included here. So no major difference here. So you can see that MIUI remains the same, and it offers additional plethora of options and themes to customize as well. Now you can see that it has an app drawer, same like Poco's app drawer. So you can see this app drawer, and that's the notification toggles and notification center. So that's the UI. Now let's talk about the camera. So opening up the camera, you can see that there is the regular camera setup we see on all the Xiaomi smartphone. HDR AI mode, macro mode is there, short video, 64 megapixel portrait mode. Now if you go to the video, you get this vlog mode. So we'll talk about the vlog mode when we do the camera review. So we'll talk about that later. Then you also get 4K recording. So you can see that 1080p at 60 fps, 4K at 30 fps. So these are settings available, and that's the video recording available. Now here are some camera samples we have taken with the Poco X2. So we'll be coming up with a detailed camera pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. So these samples should be able to give you an idea about the camera. So overall we feel the camera is really good, probably the best out there right now in terms of the price segment, the 20k price segment. It should be really good. We'll be talking about that in detail in our camera review, so stay tuned for that. Now this device also has a 4500 mAh capacity with 27 watt fast charging, which should be able to provide you with a really good battery life, and fast charging is really fast. That's what the company claims. So we'll also be testing the fast charging speed on this device, so stay tuned for that. So that was unboxing and a quick hands-on with the Poco X2. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. So this device will go on sale on 11th of February with additional discounts being offered by ICICI. So you can effectively get the device for 14,999. So that's the deal Poco is offering. So that was unboxing. Hope you enjoyed it. Do hit that like button and also hit the red subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.